Hello, this is Gary Oakes from OnlineTutorship.com. I'm producing a number of video tutorials on the Tailor brand's advanced website builder. This tutorial is going to show how you can add some Yelp reviews onto your website. I've uploaded here a templated website from Tailor Brands, and I'm going to add some Yelp reviews onto this website. The way I do this is if I go to widgets, I can either type in Yelp or scroll down to business. Yelp reviews, and I just drag it in. You need to find your business on Yelp, and then we can have the title reviews. You'll need to put in your Yelp address here. I'll just add this one. It's one I've just taken at random. And this is how the reviews show. You can show photos or not. I think photos are good. The title reviews, we'll keep that there. So that's what it looks like. So you can just add your Yelp business, and these are the reviews that have been put on there. You can change the design of this by going to design. You can change some of the parameters of this now. You can change the reviewer name, which is this one here, the font size, the font, the size, the color. Might want this color here. Have it bold. You can change where you want the text to appear. The review as well, you can change the font, the size, the color, the format, the alignment, and read more at the bottom here. You have the chance to change the font, the size, the color, whether to have it bold, and the alignment. You can change the frame if you want to as well. You can have a background color. You can add a border. You can change the border color. In terms of the title, you can change the font, the size, the color of this as well. You can have it bold, have it in the center. And you can add some animation to this, the Yelp reviews. Animation has two triggers on entrance or scroll. Entrance means that when you get to this part of the page, it'll actually activate the animation. I'm going to have it slide in from the bottom. You can change the duration, delay, and intensity, and you can preview the animation. And you can have some spacing. You may notice that these images are right up against the border, so you might want to add some spacing all the way around. I'm going to put 20 pixels all the way around this. Now you can see there's some padding all the way around. This is between the content and the outside of the frame. Let's see what it looks like in preview. If you want to read some more, you can press the read more button, and it will take you to the website, so you can read more about the reviews.